Hello everyone, this is C. Ajay Shah and you are watching Ajay's Costing Concept. Today, this video is one of those very important video and an announcement video that we have been doing. Recently, this video is recorded because recently ICAI has launched a case study digest for CA Final Scmpe syllabus. And for paper number 5, CA Final Scmpe, this case study digest is applicable from May 21 attempt, right? So the students who are appearing for May 2021 exams and later, this case study digest questions shall be applicable to you. So this is a video where we are discussing or we are just doing an announcement for you that how this questions or what basically institute has implemented. There are 49 in total questions, 23 skill based questions, case scenarios and case studies that they have given, right? 14 case studies have been provided, 12 case study scenarios have been provided and 23 skill based questions have been provided in this book, right? On BOS knowledge portal of ICI website, you can go and you can download this. From there, what we have done is we have prepared a special chart, a case study or case scenario chart for students, where it will become easy for them to understand from which chapter, which case study or which case scenario, which case skill based question have been come, right? So this is a special chart that we have prepared for students. We are coming up with videos of all these case studies and all these case scenario skill based questions in the month of April, especially for those students who are appearing from May and on, right? Whether you have done with the classes, SCPM classes taught by me or by any other faculty, this series or this episodes or this lectures what we are recording of case study digest that has been issued by ICAI will be very helpful for you and will be helpful to all the students, because we have segregated this whole book. It is a book of 180 pages that institute has launched. This whole book is been divided into various chapters. From which chapters, as I always say, see, you can see from this chart as well as you can see from this chart also. We have prepared a graphical chart also that what is the weightage of chapters on basis of this skill based questions or case study scenarios, right? So the marked in green are skill based question, the marked in blue are case scenarios and the marked in red are case study questions, right? So as I always say in my lectures, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 are very important chapters, and that is what you can see how this graph is for chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many numbers of questions, what kind of case studies, what kind of case scenarios have come, right? So we are coming up with this series, we are coming up with these lectures in the month of April for all the students who are appearing in May or later onwards, from whichever faculty they have learned or from my lectures they have learned. This shall be very useful for you. So stay tuned. We shall be coming with individual questions, individual chapter wise whole analysis will be done in the best easiest manner possible. We have made sure that student gets benefit of this, right? So stay tuned, stay updated with our channel. Thank you so much. See you all with this series in April, that is in the coming month, for the your lectures or for your classes, right? All the best, stay tuned, and this shall be updated to the earliest possible in the month of April. Thank you.